Hi, this is Alessio, your stunning leading trader. Hope you're well. Let's take a look at the chart of silver. And this is a precious metal that we haven't talked about for a while. But let's take another fresh look at it and see what opportunities and setups are forming right now. What you'll see here on my chart of silver are these numbers, which you see it's labeled 1 to 4 from here. So that's wave 1. This is wave 2. This is wave 3. Okay, so this entire movement here appears to be wave 3, and it appears that we're currently forming or completing wave 4 and setting up for a wave 5, potentially higher. Now, this wave count that you just saw there is based on what's called Elliott wave theory. And Elliott wave theory is something I quite find very interesting, and simply says that markets tend to trend in 5 waves. So according to this, as you can see here, we're in an uptrend in silver, which means once we complete wave 4, we're setting for a wave 5 higher. So that's what it's based on. So as you can see currently, we are completing a potential wave 4. And as you will see from my chart, that's our wave 5 target sitting up there near $22.5. So the question is, what exactly is the situation here on silver, and when can we establish a potential long on silver? Now, I personally don't think that this consolidation on silver has finished yet. I think it's very likely that we could see another move down to test some support. As you can see here, the silver has just been channeling here, channeling between this high and then this low, this high, this low again here. And it seems that it's coming back up to test this high, and I think it's likely we'll see another test of these lows near the $18 range, $18 to $17.5, before we see the next rally higher and a potential breakout higher to the wave 5 targets. All right, guys. So if silver sees any weakness, and if we see a move down to this level that you see here, that's the 18. Let me write this down. Any moves down to the 18 to 17.5, all right, guys, to 17.5 levels are very strong levels of support. And I'm looking to establish positions to go long into these levels. And then potentially we could see the next leg up to $20 to $22, this wave 5 target. Now, if we don't see a move down lower, then it's likely that silver potentially could break out through this resistance and then make its move up higher. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of buying breakouts, especially on silver. Silver is a very volatile market, so you got to be very careful with it. So what I would like to do is, if we see a breakout and if we see a move higher to $22, I'm looking to establish short positions into these levels. So what I'm going to wait for is any move up to $22 to $23, okay? Wait to see these levels being tested, and then if we see a close back below $22, I will then get short on silver with targets back down to 20 and then down to $18. And in case you're wondering why are we getting short on silver into these levels, the reason again is to do with Elliott wave theory. So if we just bring back that chart, you can see that once wave 5 comes to an end, then we see that ABC type correction on the silver market. For more up-to-date analysis on the major markets, whether it's indices, currencies, commodities, or stocks, make sure you try our free trading service on Leading Trader on this link you see here, which is leadingtrader.com/alerts. And when you join, you will also learn our top trading strategy as well. All right, guys, many thanks. And for more videos like this, please go ahead to this link and subscribe now.